How to refer a friend on Hotwire. Hotwire is a travel booking website and app that specializes in helping users find discounted rates for hotel rooms, rental cars, flights, and vacation packages. In order to refer a friend, first log into your Hotwire account. If you don't have one, you will need to create an account. Once logged in, go to the Refer a Friend section, which is often located in your account settings or the Rewards section. Hotwire will provide you with a unique referral link or code. Copy this link or code and send it to your friend via email, text, or social media. That's it. Thanks for watching.